Right, Raymond, we're back on your 148 Mark 1. The last you seen of this, we were down in Carlow with it. It had a few little problems, and all that's been sorted now. All good, he says. Right, so what we're going to get going on here today is we're going to get the meter out and see if we can fix that. Hopefully we can, because I don't have any meters. I have none left. Get the green LEDs in here for the backlit switches, and get the channel display changed, and probably try and get all the controls cleaned and denotch that clarifier, and we'll see where we go from there. So sorry for the delay, but here we go. Now Ray, you're in luck. Meter totally toast. Stiff movement in it, so there was someone guntering in I had here before, because it was all full of super glue, and I don't know what they were at. They had the insert glued into it, but it wasn't flat up against the curved part of the meter here. So I'd say what happened was the meter was trying to get past it, but after a while it eventually just kind of burnt itself out. You can see the remnants of the glue there on both ends, but as I said, they are in luck. Went through the box and I found lurking in the back of it a brand new meter. I didn't think I had any, so it's the last one I have. Okay, some considerable time later, where are we at? Haven't the meter back in yet. It's over there. We'll do that later on. But I noticed that the little meter carrier is broken, so I think I have a new one of them here. So that'll have to be changed. So your LEDs are in and your green display is in. So I'll just turn around there now. Now what I've done here is I have this little board up here, which is accessible by whipping off the bottom cover. We can dim the display, but if you dim it too much, it doesn't work properly, so you can only go so far. And the same with this one. It's a little bit twitchy because it's kind of all or nothing, but you can dim them. Right, so there you have it for now. I just stuck the front on, and if you're wondering, I took there was like a sticker, the Cobra decal. It's actually a Superstar bezel, and I was wondering how the chrome was so good, and actually has the step in it there, so the Cobra bezels didn't have that little step. So there you go. Backlit switches are done, and the channel display is done, and we just get the meter into it now the weekend, and the diffuser and whatnot. So we're getting there, so we'll get you in the next one. All the best.